I have read about many inventions that changed our lives, but my favorite is the phone. The first phone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. It was a telephone. Nowadays, we not only have telephones but also mobile phones and smartphones. Smartphones is more widely used. With a smartphone, I can make and receive calls, text my friends, take photos, listen to music, search the internet, and so on. I use my smartphone every day and I find it very useful for my study. I believe that it is an essential device for many people.